Gents, boys and girls. Be like Mike, Paul, 4, guys. All right. So what we have here is the Gator Green. Should be the Gator Green anyway. We're about to see, and from there, you all need to take heed of what we're about to see. Okay. Let's get down to business. So by the way, I got this from Alibaba. So pay a great deal of attention to this. Check our videos to understand what I'm saying. I haven't opened the box yet, but I kind of feel the box, you know, and I can tell there are some serious anomalies. But let's see what's going on. All right. Other than that, make sure to like the video, share the video if it's any useful to you. Talk among yourself about what we do out here. We love you all out here, and we love your support. Okay, let's get down to business. So, number one, I'm gonna pause for a sec. So let's get down to business. So originally, okay, gotta be like Mike on top. Mike, Thunderball. Okay, this should supposed to be representing the Gator brand. Let me show you a little bit of the box to start with before we start any story telling. Okay, side of the box, Gator sign right there. Okay, I may sound like I'm ranting, but oh yeah, let me show you the bottom with all the trademarks and the Jordan logo right there. Okay, so now, you know, in store and so on and so forth, the box do not look like this. I'm just saying, the box do not look like this. It's totally different. Double check that out. Leave all your comment right down below. Tell me if I'm ranting, or if I'm talking shit, bullshit, or if I'm totally right. Okay, we're gonna start that again. So it's Be Like Mike, part 4. So let's check out what's inside the box. What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. For me, this looks suspicious. Never mind. Let's get down to business. So, you know, right here, right we are in the box. Let me just raise the camera a little bit. You got to Be Like Mike there. Okay, Be Like Mike. In many other videos that I've watched, and that's just the receipt. I think that's in Chinese and so on and so forth. Okay, that's the receipt. You're supposed to have a tower in the box, and the box, as I already said, looks totally different from this one. Okay, you'll be checking the shoes out, and you're supposed to have a tower in there. Okay, Gatorade towers in there. Opening. I hope you can see that. First time I'm opening this thing, and you can see. Let's see. Let's take this out. Take this out. Oh, even hard to get out. One sec. Okay, I'll try with this hand. This thing is stuck to the box. Okay, so out of the box, this is what we have in. I hope you can see the whole lot. Okay, certain anomaly. I hope you can see that. All right, that's the bottom. You can see the bottom right here. See the Jumpman kind of sticking out. Imperfection right there. Okay, I've got other Jordans, so Let's see the Jumpman. Can you see the Jumpman right there? Okay. We are going to have a full you know, I'm gonna show you more about the shoes in a sec. Just give me 1 second. Let's open this. Let's open this, and there is nothing else in the box, as you can see. And this is pretty bad. Okay, out of the box, fresh out of the box, I'm calling this a fake. I'm calling this an unauthorized Jordan. Okay, this is not even a B grade or a C grade or whatever grade you want to call it. This is just bad. Look at the finishing. I've seen better. I know sometimes even the authorized one have some defect and so on and so forth, but this is pretty bad, as you can see. And have a look. Look at how soft this shit is. Look at how soft this thing is. I never see any Jordan with this soft oh man, damn it, with this soft spoiler. That's the first time I'm seeing such a thing. Totally degraded. You know, it's very degrading. You have got the inside if I could be, and even the tongue is so flimsy. You know, you can see there, it's not hard at all. You know, look at the tongue. Look at the tongue. Look at the Jordan brand. I hope you can see all these things I'm showing you. Pretty bad. So got this straight from Alibaba. It's already said to you. And make sure, look at the inside, look at the finishing. This is, let me zoom in there so you can see even better what I'm showing you. All this is bad for business. Look at how flimsy this thing is. Okay, and have a look at the Gatorade. Look at this. Look at this. It's barely moving. It's even stocked. It's even getting stocked. Oh my goodness. This is bad. All right. This is extremely bad. This right here is supposed to be popping out. It does not. This is totally bad. Wrong for the price, and everything about it is wrong. Everything about it is fake. Okay, so make sure go watch out going on Alibaba to buy your stuff. You are not gonna get what you're paying for. I'm telling you now. You totally ain't gonna get what you're paying for. So my advice is to stay away from that website in terms of buying these kind of high you know, high-end products. You may buy no brands from Alibaba, AliExpress. Let's be clear what I'm talking about. From AliExpress. But don't try to buy these high-end products, because you're gonna be in for a big surprise. Let me pause for a sec. You know, I was about to put them on foods and showcase them, display them, but this on the condition which is in, I'm not gonna put this on at all. All right, you can see this the cap right here is stuck. It's not coming out anymore. This is bad for business. AliExpress, Alibaba, they need to be checking the vendors, the sellers, because these guys are gonna destroy the business in case they're not aware. Let me talk to you a little bit about the suede. You know, the materials are all identical to the original one, but as I said to you, the quality is non-existent. Attention to details, non-existent. Okay, it's all bad. It's all bad. So let me show you a little bit of the about, you know, let's see the inside of the shoes. All right, this is flimsy. Let me zoom out, probably will have more chance to see better. Flimsy, rubbish. The inside, look at that, some crappy little shit here. You'll excuse my language, but really and truly, look at this. This is crap, piece of crap. You've got a date and all this crap in there. I'm not even, this is irrelevant to be honest. It's totally irrelevant what it is about right now. You see, you have all those dates and all that, and this is even made in Vietnam instead of in China, whatever. The inside Jumpman in there look very suspicious looking. A Jumpman. Whoa, you guys, listen. Let's check the second pair, and I can tell you it's the same thing. Okay, low crappy whatever. If you got a real Jordan, you see the Jordan trademark on this. This is usually brownish. Okay, rubbish. Inside, I don't even know. Let me see if it's the same country to start with. Made in Vietnam. So it's pretty much the same location. As I said, the attention to details are pretty bad. This is a no-go for me, and to all of you out there, by the way, this should be a strong alarming thing for you. Do not shop, do not buy your stuff on AliExpress. Okay, you gotta be careful. Yeah, if you love your money, okay, have a look at all these details. Non-existent. Look at this. This is all flat. This is supposed to be popping out. Okay, this is supposed to be popping out. All right, all these holes are supposed to be bigger, a little bit bigger. It's supposed to be popping out, period. Okay, I know these are retro, but as I already said to you, check out the rest of our videos about the Be Like Mike. You will see and understand what I'm saying to you. This is part 4 of Be Like Mike, and I can tell you part 4 just showing us and revealing more stuff. Look at all these dirt. All right, that's the Jumpman. The Jumpman looks like I don't know, you tell me what you think the Jumpman look like. The suede is correct. Those of things are right on the shoes. Some things are okay on the shoes, like the materials and so on and so forth. Let's talk a little bit about this. You know what? You can see it for yourself. Alright, you can see it for yourself. This is a non-authorized Jordan right here. Okay, look at the Jumpman here. He's pretty much looking like a sick man or a Jumpman. I'm not even trying to be funny. Have a look at this. Use them back in there properly. Alright, focus. Have a look at this. I can't even press this thing. So hard. Oh, so hard, man. Look, you can't press it. Damn, man. So guys, as I already said, it's all up to you. Okay, we do the research for you guys to understand what's going on out there. Make sure that you do understand what I'm saying to you. If you're willing to buy from AliExpress, which means you know what you are getting into, but do not go and waste your hard-earned money on this website, because you are going to be deceived, and at the end of the day, I'll use the common word that many people like to use: you will end up frustrated. So this is Be Like Mike. Let me remove that. This is Be Like Mike part 4, and to be honest, very dodgy Be Like Mike, mate. Sorry, mate. These are wrong, and they're gonna hear about it. I'll let you know about the outcome. But make sure to like the video, sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all out here, and we love your support. And as usual, keep it lit, keep it safe, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it, people. Bang, 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 bang. Peace out. Yeah.